Want the fastest gaming CPU in 2025? We've tested AMD and Intel's top contenders. Stay tuned to see which one will crush every game and future-proof your rig. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment on which one is your pick. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This isn't just AMD's fastest gaming CPU, it's the fastest on the market. At $480, it outpaces Intel's pricier chips, including the $440 Core i9-14900K and the $629 Core Ultra 9 285K, often by 30 to 35% in gaming performance. Even in GPU-limited scenarios, 1% low frame rates keep gameplay exceptionally smooth. 8 cores, 16 threads, and clocks up to 5.2 GHz. It leverages AMD's 3DV cache tech, stacking 96 megabytes of L3 cache beneath the die for improved gaming and productivity performance. Unlike competitors, the 9800X3D runs cooler and uses less power, reducing the need for expensive cooling or power setups. While 3DV cache doesn't boost every game, this CPU is an excellent balance of top-tier gaming performance, efficiency, and value. Number 2. AMD Ryzen 7970X. It's bounced back from a rocky launch thanks to firmware and OS improvements, making it a serious gaming contender. At its new price, it matches Intel's Core i9-149K in gaming and outperforms the Core i7-147K while easily beating the Core Ultra lineup. Productivity-heavy tasks still favor Intel, but for pure gaming, the 9700X shines. 8 Zen 5 cores, 16 threads, 3.8 GHz base, 5.5 GHz boost. With a default 65-watt TDP, optionally 105 watts in BIOS, it's efficient and easy to cool. Fits M5 sockets with B-series motherboards ideal for pairing. Existing 600 series B boards offer solid performance for this high-value gaming CPU, while B840 and B850 boards arrive next year. Number 3. Intel Core i7-14700K. Intel's i7-14700K packs 4 extra E-cores and a slightly tweaked boost clock, but keeps the same $339 price. That's 97% of the flagship i9-1490K's gaming performance for $90 less. Skip integrated graphics and the 14700KF drops to $327. Overclock it, and it rivals the stock i9. 8 P-cores, 12 E-cores, 28 threads. P-cores run 3.4 to 5.6 GHz, E-cores 2.5 to 4.3 GHz. Includes 33 megabytes, L3 and 28 megabytes. L2 cache supports DDR4-320, up to DDR5-560, 16 PCIe 5.0 lanes, plus 4 PCIe 4.0 lanes for M2 SSDs. Rated 125 watts base, 253 watts peak. You'll need a solid cooler and a 600 or 700 series motherboard. Gamers can choose DDR4 for savings, or DDR5 for maximum throughput. Number 4. Intel Core i5-14600K. The 235 i5-14600K is a standout gaming chip. Skip integrated graphics and the 14600KF delivers the same performance. Even Intel's $320 Core Ultra 5245K can't beat it for price to performance. 6 P-cores at 3.5 to 5.3 GHz, 4 E-cores at 2.6 to 4.0 GHz, 20 threads total. 20 megabytes L, 24 megabytes L, 2 cache. Supports 16 PCIe 5.0 lanes, plus 4 PCIe 4.0 lanes, and works with DDR4 or DDR5 memory. 181 watts max power rating, runs well on most air or water coolers. Requires LGA 1700 socket and 600 or 700 series motherboard. Flexible, high-performance choice for budget-conscious gamers. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 7570X3D. At $229, the 570X3D delivers the fastest gaming performance in the $200 range, though it sacrifices some speed and productivity tasks. It's basically a downclocked 5800X3D, losing 400 MHz on base and boost clocks, but keeping the full 96 MB 3DV cache. That means you get 91% of the 5800X3D's gaming performance for 35% less money. Huge value. Works with existing AM4 motherboards going back to the 300 series. A perfect drop-in upgrade for older Ryzen systems. Trade-offs. No DDR5 or PCIe 5.0 support, and some productivity workloads are slower. But if gaming is your priority and your titles benefit from 3DV cache, this chip is hard to beat at the price. So, which CPU takes the crown? After testing speed, cores, and gaming performance, the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D emerges as the ultimate choice for 2025. Perfect for high frame rate gaming and next-level performance.